Every single car rolling off assembly lines today contains over 30,000 parts, and they all need to come together with millimeter precision in a matter of hours. The secret behind this manufacturing miracle: linear actuators, the precise, programmable muscles that power modern automotive assembly. Think about it. A human worker might place a component within a few millimeters of the target position, but today's vehicles demand accuracy within a tenth of a millimeter. That's thinner than a human hair, and we're talking about performing these precise movements millions of times without failure. The automotive industry has undergone a massive transformation, moving away from hydraulic and pneumatic systems to electric linear actuators. Why? Because electric actuators deliver something the old systems couldn't: perfect repeatability with digital control integration. When you connect these actuators to programmable logic controllers and industrial IoT systems, you're not just moving parts, you're collecting data, adjusting in real time, and predicting maintenance needs before failures occur. These actuators handle everything from tiny sensor adjustments to lifting entire vehicle bodies. They operate in harsh environments with temperature swings, chemical exposure, and constant vibration. The most advanced versions use ball screw mechanisms that achieve over 90% efficiency while lasting for millions of cycles. For engineers designing tomorrow's assembly lines, understanding actuator technology isn't optional, it's critical. The right actuator selection can mean the difference between a production line that runs smoothly around the clock and one plagued by downtime and quality issues. Want to dive deeper into actuator specifications, selection criteria, and future trends in automotive manufacturing? Find the link in the description below to read the full article.